Okay, we're back. We're going to learn how to play More Than Ashes. It's on page 60, and it's in the key of B flat. So we're going to start looking at how to play chords in the key of B flat. And we're going to use some of the transposing skills we just acquired. So we're on page 60. I'm going to teach you how to play each chord, left hand and right hand today. So, on the verse, it's going to go something like this. We're going to play octaves in our left hand the whole time. So, you'll have octaves in your left hand. Okay, so it'll be pretty simple left hand. So, let's think about, in the verse, the one chord. You probably want to write these down because I want you to play it just like this. So the left hand is a one chord, so what would I play for octaves? B flat. Yep. Play B flat, and your pinky and your thumb. Okay, in the right hand, I just want you to play a regular B flat triad. So you're going to play B flat, D, and F. Okay. Okay, good. Everybody strike that chord. B flat octave and B flat triad up kind of high. Okay. Good. Next chord. It says 1/7. So that means the lowest note we need to hear needs to be the 7th note of the scale, which is A. Okay? So in our left hand, since we're doing octaves, we're going to play octave A. But we have a 1 chord over 7. Now, is an A inside of a B flat chord? No. So this is just a bass note we're talking about. So the right hand doesn't need to change. We're going to keep the right hand exactly the same and just move our left hand down. Okay, let's strike that chord. Octave A's and a B flat in our right hand. Okay, if you want to be technical, this is actually a B flat major 7 chord over A. If you want to be super technical. See how that's a is the major 7th in this chord? Anyway, don't worry about it. Okay, look up here. Next, we have 4/6. What's the 6th note of this scale? G. A G. Excellent. So we're going to put G octaves in our hand. And then the 4 chord in this key is, it's a major chord. What's the 4th note of the B flat scale that we learned today? E flat. E flat. Excellent. There's 2 flats in this key. All the B's and E's are automatically B flats. I want you to play this one as an inversion. So that means we're going to, while the left hand's playing this, we're going to actually make a 4/6. So I want the lowest note you hear to be a G. So over here, it would look like this. Here's an E flat chord. We want to get G on the bottom. So twist this up. You're going to have E flat over G, just like that. Okay? So the notes are G, B flat, and E flat. If you watch the video, I made a mistake on this part, so follow what I put on the board. Okay, so make that chord, octave G's, and then G, B flat, and E flat. Since this is an inverted chord, I'm using finger 2 on B flat. It's a first inversion chord. Good. Next one's pretty easy. We have 5/7. The 5 chord in this key is, look up here. It's an F. So you're going to play octave F. And then you'll have F/sus. So you're going to have F, B flat, and C. F, B flat, and C. Let's try striking that chord. Okay, good. Let's try playing the whole verse in order. So what's nice is your left hand is just doing a little walk down. Just like the Myamic song. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chorus now just has a couple more chords. Look up here. We have 4 major 7. And what's the 4 chord again? In this key?
E flat.
E flat. So it's E flat major 7. I'm assuming the lowest note I hear needs to be an E flat. Okay? Then when we voice 7th chords, we want to put the 7th in our left hand. So what's the 7th? E flat major 7. Octave minus how much?
Half step.
Half step. So what's a half step down from there?
E flat. 5.
Just D. D.
Oh.
Okay, so you have E flat and D in that hand. The right hand's going to play a regular E flat chord. E flat, G, and B flat. Just like that. Okay? Do it right in the middle of the keyboard. You can have E flat there, D there, and then E flat triad in your other hand. So your thumbs are right next to each other. Try hitting that. Great. The next chord is a 5 sus. We're going to try not to move too far, so I want you to play it. We're going to change it up here. You're going to play a 5th. So just a regular, simple theory 3/4. So my left hand's playing an open 5th. My right hand's playing F sus. Try hitting that chord. Good. And then I'm going to do a different way of playing B flat that's a little more convenient for where our hand is right now. We're going to play octave B flats in our left hand. But B flats, octaves. In the right hand, I'm going to do an inversion because I think it sounds big and cool, and I think it gets you ready to switch to E flat right after that, okay? So in our right hand, we're going to play D, F, and B flat. Just think it sounds cool, okay? So D, F, and B flat. Okay, strike that chord with me. Okay, and again, it's nice because it makes it easy to switch to E flat right after that. Okay, one more chord change I want to do. Look at the word side. Above it you see a 6th chord. This is the 3rd line of the chorus. We're going to change it to a minor 7. Minor 7. So, the lowest note you hear needs to be, oh, sorry, what's the 6th chord? G. So it's going to be G minor 7. So the 7 needs to be an octave minus A. How far? For a minor 7, it's a whole step down. So what note should I put here? F. Yes. Okay, in my right hand, I just need a G minor triad. So I got G, B flat, and D. Let's all hit that G minor 7 together. Oops. Okay, recognize that one?
Yeah.
We've done that before. Okay, good. So the chorus is going to sound like this. You can try playing along with me. I am the road, the joy for which you died. This I know, I'm only with the
my heart condemns on every side, I take refuge in the tree. I am the rose to you.
Try the chorus with me now.
I am the rose, the joy for which you died. And this I know, I move you with delight. When my heart condemns on every side, I take refuge in the tree. I am the rose to you.
Throw your headphones on and work on the verse and the chorus for the next 5 minutes.